Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check page size in Canva. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So let me put one page, blank page. Okay, so this is my paper size. Okay, so how you can check this exact size of this canvas, paper canvas. So what you can do, there are two options. First go to the file, and here you can see the exact size, which is 1920 pixel into 1080 pixel. Okay, so here we have, and the another option is we need to go in resize, and here go to the customize. Here you can see the exact size of this canvas in pixel. So here, from here you can also customize this size, like if you want to 1950 and 1000 pixel heights. So just insert, just click outside once you're done, and here you can see options, which is copy and resize this option design only. Okay, so you can create copy and resize it, or you can resize only this design. So you can resize it. Okay, here the paper has been resized, you can see. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.